Let's solve this together. It says x over 9 dot x over 9 is equal to 9 over x dot 9 over x. Now, first things first, dots in mathematics simply stands for multiplication, okay, or product. Now, this means you multiply x times x, and x times x is x squared, okay? And we have 9 times 9. 9 times 9 is something as 9 squared. To be equal to 9 times 9 again is 9 squared, and x times x is x squared, okay? At this point, you can cross multiply. So multiply here with here, and multiply here with here. 9 squared times 9 squared is 9 raised to the power 4, to be equal to x squared times x squared is x raised to the power 4. Okay, so we can say now that x raised to the power 4 minus 9 raised to the power 4 is equal to 0. Okay, to bring everything to this other side. Now at this point, you can say that we can express this as, so recall when we have a raised to the power m raised to the power of n, it's equal to a raised to the power m multiplied by n. Okay, now from here we can now factor out 2, so we say that this is x raised to the power 2 all raised to the power of 2 minus 9 raised to the power 2 all raised to the power of 2 to be equal to 0. Okay, at this point we can say that this is difference of two squares. Okay, now recall from difference of two squares, and when I have a squared minus b squared, it's equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Okay, applying this law here, we have, alright, now moving on from here, we can now say that this is x squared minus 9 squared multiplied by x squared plus 9 squared to be equal to 0. Okay, you can say the product of this is equal to 0 again. When the product of this is equal to 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. So it's either x squared minus 9 squared is equal to 0. This is the difference of two squares, so you can now say that this is x plus 9 multiplied by x minus 9 to be equal to 0. From here we now have that x is equal to plus or minus 9. Okay, for the second one we have x squared plus 9 squared to be equal to 0. We can use a lot of sum of two squares that states that when we have a squared plus b squared, it's equal to a plus bi multiplied by a minus bi. Okay, moving on from here, we now have that this becomes x plus 9i multiplied by x minus 9i to be equal to 0. Okay, from here our x then becomes equal to plus or minus 9i. Okay, so these are the answers for x in this question. Thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.
What's going on, guys? It's watching here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.